So how to adding for affiliate marketing banner ads on particular website? First you can check here, click for banners, where in this product linkings option call is product linkings. In this, select any banner ad which is your comfortable. I'll go for see the ad and comfort. I'll select which one, this option. Select based on the site and display in the right of the corner. So in this, I'm selecting anything. Latest cars, India. We can display by ad, right of the corner. We go for layout. And remember, banner will be no responsive size. Always they give the particular size. You can use only for that particular size. Select it and save. After that, what options are there? There you go. Save change. Now refresh. Done your ad, including here. Now simple, you can change your option for increase your width. Increase your width. Based on ad, your adjust your width is more important. Where you can go for adjust width, increase it. Done. This is a Facebook and this is a ad. Anyone come into your click for shop now. And in the blog I can using for footer ad also. Which one? Footer ad. Footer ad purpose we use option is called like this. Total strip. The size will be 928 by 90. So 728 by 90. Copy. This way you can using for put to black. Layout. Scroll down. Add a gadget. What the option call is HTML by JavaScript. Paste the ad and save. Save arrangement. Refresh. Then footer. Same footer option. I can move to front end. Where I'm change for where? In the front end. Refresh. Footer will be going to where? Header. We will going to where? Header. This one here. And you can create one more also in your footer option. Add a gadget. HTML JavaScript. Is it clear? These are your type of ads. These are your type of ads. It's a very important on your particular things. Suppose in a content between, you can upload the option. Content between. That will be this type of ads. Copy. Where you can go for post. Click for edit. In this, you can select by here. After Renault. are using paragraph. So what's showing here? The script will be not fixed on the between the content. So they now support by the in between the content. Update, refresh. Then what I'm showing paragraph will be not done. Is it clear? So any purpose you can add be given by the right of the corner, footer of the option in the content. Three will be used. Is it clear? So in this content, always in a content part, we can use like this. So when always refresh, the adding your product, or click for shop now. Great price, Amazon.in, discover Amazon.in, a great prices. Click for shop now. Here will be million of product on Amazon.in. Every link after they say something, they will purchase any product, you get the money. The banner ad, if anybody click, they purchase any product, you get the earnings. Any product they will be purchased. Depend on your price ratio. Is it clear? The three peta hall. Content below and the content outside. Website right side and the footer. Is it clear? It's a very, very important particular things.